Oh, dude, I'm on a bike ride. Yeah, bike rides are the best. Bike rides are the best. Bike rides are the best. Oh, yeah. Shy Guy, come on. If y'all did not know that Shy Guy is with me on this bike ride. But he's not here right now, but we'll catch up to him later. I'm going slow so he can catch up to me. Come on, Shy Guy, you let this slowpoke. My father? Oh, Mario? Oh. Well, Bowser's my actual father. He's my stepfather.
You actually like him better?
I mean, he's okay, but I mean... Remember, don't get hit by a car. That wouldn't be nice. At all. So let's start going down the road. Come on, Shy Guy.
Okay.
Right. Shy Guy, Shy Guy, Shy Guy. Shy Guy running through the city.
It's so fun riding a bike.
I know,
Especially
dude.
not wet.
Since we're not wet?
No, and wet.
Oh, yeah.
We are swimming.
Yeah, we went swimming. That was so fun.
How did you dry already?
Because I'm better than you. And I was playing basketball, so I had a chance to dry off.
Just shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. How am I driving a bike when my eyes aren't even facing the ground?
My eyes are facing the ground.
Well, get them off. I mean, I was facing the opposite direction. You need to be facing the ground, yeah.
I know where I'm going. I'm facing.
Yeah, you need to be facing the correct way. I mean, something could happen. You know? So, Shy Guy, what are you doing today?
Oh, no, not really. Nothing much.
We haven't been doing really that much.
Nope.
I might just film this all in one clip, but I mean, yeah, Shy Guy.
Be quiet, you dumb bum.
Yeah.
Face up.
Oh, okay. Alright, you just gotta say it like that to me now. I thought we were friends. Oh, we are? Okay. Well, then don't say that to me. Oh. You hate people? Freddy Cougar! You ain't Freddy Cougar? Oh. Oh, dang. You got some bad dreams then, sucker. You can't, what? Oh.
So if I play, I always kill him. So he's always has my revenge killing me. He comes out the TV.
Oh. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Cool.
Well, I mean, wait, isn't the Rings the people who come out the TV?
That happened to me once and I killed her.
Oh, you killed her? Wow.
You know how?
How?
I burned her in fire.
Burned her in fire?
Yeah, I took him out, burned her in fire, got a knife, stabbed it right through her.
Oh. Oh, dang.
And then stabbed it right through her heart.
Well, that's not a good idea. Yeah, I mean, you better be careful. Come on, catch up, dude. Come on, Shy Guy. I thought you were better bike rider.
What?
I thought you were better bike rider than this.
You're weird.
Yeah, I know. Well, I think every kid is weird, aren't they?
Kinda.
I mean,
Like they don't play basketball as much as you.
well, I mean, basketball is my passion, dude. Everyone has a passion. What is yours? Eating boogers?
No.
Yeah.
That's not my passion.
What is your
My passion is
passion?
having the mask on me.
Mask on you?
Uh-huh.
So wearing masks is your passion?
Uh-huh.
So you're a little costume boy, most likely.
I'm just kidding.
Costume boy.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, this is like an exercise, isn't it?
I'm mostly an outside.
I know I am too. Oh, that's why I play basketball. It's an outside sport, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Sick.
Me?
No, I'm kidding.
I do to you?
I'm just kidding.
Come on, Paracupa.
Freddy Krueger, I'm gonna kill you.
We need to kill Freddy Krueger.
I'm coming for you, Freddy Krueger. Yeah.
Freddy's anyone's scary. Yeah.
I hate being. Well, guess I already killed her, so yeah. So if you watch it, she will not be in that movie.
So she won't be in the movie anymore? You killed the actor?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
No, it's not the actual.
Oh, the real person?
She's the real person.
Oh. All along I thought that movie was fake.
Just be playing green screen.
It was playing green screen? Oh my gosh.
A whale, that's
A whale? Oh, yeah. You actually saw it? Oh.
I watched the movie. I have it repaired. I called in a few of my friends. So
You wanna go one more? You wanna go?
They lighted them up with guns.
You wanna go one more?
What?
Yeah, let's go one more, dude.
Okay, dude.
I don't think I got enough exercise for basketball.
Wait, you have a basketball tournament?
Yes, well, duh, I always go to That's why I came to Louisiana.
Actually, it's like Disney. Remember?
I know we're going to Disney too, and I'm coming to Florida to do a basketball. What?
Freddy came on the road trip.
Oh. Oh. I know.
I said, if you tell them to go, you are dead.
Yeah, because they'll probably get mad, and then they'll probably leave him here.
I think Springtrap is here.
Springtrap? Oh, I did hear him. He was like alien or something.
Aliens?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot he watched an alien movie yesterday.
Oh, you watched Alien Covenant, that rated R movie?
Uh-huh.
Dang. So he's scared
He
of
said
him?
in these afraid of aliens.
Oh.
Alien.
Alien.
He starts saying aliens.
Oh, Alien Covenant
He
is.
says, like every time he starts, he says, there's an alien over there.
Oh.
But he's so afraid of it.
Oh.
And then I had to hold it.
Well, that's not good.
Exactly. And so that's why I haven't seen my bedtime story. To make it how good.
Dreams? Oh. Well, come on, Shy Guy. It's not this hard to do it. We're going like raw. We're not cutting clips or anything. Oh, guys, while on this adventure, I want to tell you sorry that we did not film a car wash because, like, it was too short of a car wash. So yeah, that was it. That was just a disclaimer. But let's keep going on the ride. Dude, you're like 5 miles behind me.
Yeah, because I tripped.
Shy Guy, you have like a freaking. Oh,
I did it. I was about to run into
me?
Yep.
You about to run into me if I'm all the way up here.
Just be quiet and just drive.
Oh, well, always keep your eyes on the road, like,
Go through this door.
There's a car on the road, dude. There's a car on the road. Just keep. Come on, Shy Guy.
Alright, dude.
No!
What?
I'm supposed to be in front. Dude, I have like freaking mega vision. I'm not doing a mega. Dude, you can't be that far ahead of me. Fire Mario telling me that I have to be the boss of you. Dude, don't even start. Ah! I'm not racing, I'm just trying to catch up to you, dude. Yes, you will. Shy Guy. What?
No!
$100 and $400 to me. We're not racing, dude. We're not racing, dude. I mean, are you a little brat?
There's right now getting in front of you.
Doesn't matter who's in front of who.
Just shut up.
You shut up.
I should take it away. Oh, shoot. Turn the corner.
Yeah, speed limit's 25. You're a little too slow for this area. Look, we're like smoking him. He's falling down on his little rollerblades. Don't like a real dude, you little pigeon.
You're like, wait, bullseye.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Ken. It's kind of getting a little hot outside, isn't
I
it?
love Toy Story. It's my favorite movie.
Toy Story's your favorite. Oh, we are toys,
Yeah,
baby.
and you know that ball with the skull on it? And it's
Yeah.
yellow?
Yeah.
That, whoever made that ball will own millions of dollars. I saw that on the internet.
You go on the internet?
Yeah.
I thought you were a little too young to be on the internet.
Well, at nighttime.
At nighttime on the internet, too.
Yes.
That's kind of weird.
Yes, because my dad won't let me.
That day?
Yes.
So you sneak on?
No. Yes, I sneak on.
Oh. Well, I'm going to tell Mario.
I said if you do, you're not gonna breathe again. I'm gonna call Yoshi a Toad. And they're gonna name
Oh.
me Snitchy Boy.
No, they're my friends.
Well, guess what? I'm on the fence because I always hang out with them.
I do too. Dude, the only reason I'm not hanging out with you because I have to play basketball sometimes, okay?
Here's my basketball.
I care about basketball. Dang, stop trying to ruin a child's dream.
So you're gonna snitch on me?
Yeah,
I only played that once.
I'm just playing, I'm not.
Toy Story, but I'm not Toy Story.
Oh, I'm not gonna snitch on you.
Yes, I just did that one. No other time.
Snitchy Boy is the dumbest name I've ever heard.
What?
Snitchy Boy.
Snitchy Boy?
Yeah. That's what you said you're gonna call me. Your face looks like a...
Snitchy Boy. Dang, I think this is a lot of exercise. I like it that time.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright.
Are
Well,
you?
yeah. Come on, let's get one more glimpse of you. Oh, I'm trying to get to a slow point in time. Oh.
Nothing's going up the hill.
Oh. Whew. Alright, so
Check on Luigi.
check on the Ouija. Yeah. Alright. So we're done with the road trip, aren't we? Wait, no, we still have a...
Check on the Luigi and then we're done.
Yeah.
I want him over to fight.
Oh.
I'm just kidding, why not?
Oh, I'm still up. Come on, guys. Let's keep going. It's a little hard right now.
I'm pulling my bike up.
Oh, you lucky.
What?
Sick Luigi.
Luigi!
Ah!
He's sleeping. I'm gonna wake him up.
Luigi. Yeah. All right. What's up, Luigi? Let's go.
Okay.